We're here near Thessaloniki. This small piece of the pine forest burned down last summer, the summer of 2022. We're trying to learn about the new conditions created by the fire. Before the fire, the soil underneath the pine trees was acidic. The area essentially was a dead zone. Now we're wondering, after the fire, what trees, shrubs, and grasses and other plants will grow here. That's the question. Here we placed almonds in the ground, 2 per hole, to see how they do. We're looking to see if they sprout, and we're looking for the growth rate and to see how many survive the long, hot summers. As we can see here, they passed the first test with flying colors. They're sprouting everywhere. We also surface scattered small seeds like arugula, vetch, daikon, alfalfa, and many others. We want to know if they will sprout and grow. As we can see here, some of them are growing. Their purpose is to prevent soil erosion and to provide shade and nitrogen to our young trees and to improve the soil fertility. It's possible that some of these plants will self-seed and become part of the land for many years to come. It should be noted here, and we have mentioned this in the past, that it is highly recommended that almonds should only be planted on land that has burned down. The reason for this is field mice, they love almonds, and in places where the land has experienced fire, they're not very active. Our approach to reforestation is economical and very simple. It is 50 to 100 times less expensive than conventional tree planting. We simply offer seeds to the land. The earth chooses what to accept and what to reject. Other than putting seeds in the ground, we do nothing else. No watering, no fertilizing, no manure, nothing. The earth will make its choices. It is very important to note that trees grown this way, by seed, are much stronger than trees grown in nurseries. Trees grown indoors are born into a world with plenty of water and chemical fertilizers. They're weak and susceptible to diseases and droughts. As mentioned previously, here in this small area, we planted almonds. Further down, another small area, we planted acorns from common oak trees. Yet another area, holly oak acorns and evergreen oak acorns. We want to see how they do and observe if there's any difference in development and behavior between the different types of oak trees. In another area, we have planted clay cubes, clay hearts. Each clay heart has many small seeds inside. Seeds like cypress, wild pear, apple, gleditsia, arugula, daikon, alfalfa, Judas tree, all of them mixed together, and we have a mixture of 50% clay, 25% perlite, and 25% manure, all by volume. And we're trying to see whether this will help us along to plant the different varieties of seeds. In other words, give nature an opportunity to choose. In a nutshell, We're trying to observe and learn about the soil conditions after the fire and to evaluate and improve our techniques. The question is, what can be grown here? What will the earth choose to grow? Observe and learn. If left alone, the land will most likely either remain bare or it's going to grow pine trees again. The pine trees, due to climate change, are destined to either get sick and die or they're going to burn down again.